Hello and welcome to Film Foolery. We're going to do something a little different today. Usually we do reviews, but we still like to do our own variety content. This is something we've never done before and we think you'd be very interested in. We have original SNES controllers that are broken. They have corroded on the inside. We're going to see how bad they are, and we're going to create Shadowbox displays of them. So let's just see how that is. We've never done this before. You ever heard of a Shadowbox display?
No, I never have.
I'll put up on the screen exactly what we're trying to do. And just an example that I found on Etsy, which inspired us to do this. These are from an original SNES that I actually bought off of Brady's family. It works, but the original controllers did not. So we thought the idea to take them apart, create displays of them, and then at the very end, I will swap my display for his display. And yeah, so we will go ahead and just begin now. Okay, so I've opened mine up. Let's see how bad this is. This doesn't look too bad. This is the back of it. It looks just fine. Ooh, there are a lot of other Oh, crap. I dropped something. I don't know where it went.
I have no idea.
Is that it?
Probably.
No, it is not. Let me go grab stuff.
Well, this is the part where I take over the microphone while Blake is busy doing something and talk one-on-one to the audience in a segment that is probably going to get cut.
Yeah. Where did it go? I don't even know what it looked like.
So what's the deal with airline food, am I right?
We'll just have to open yours and see what it looks like. Oh, I know what it... Oh, wait, no. I don't think it fell. I think it was just... I see what fell. This is broken. The right bumper is actually broken compared to the left one. Like, there's this thing. It's not right here. So I think that's what fell and broke off.
Well...
here's the... Oh, I know what fell. Also, the button. The little rubber thing. I will have to find that real quick.
R.I.P. Original pieces of controller.
You go ahead and continue taking your stuff apart. There it is.
You should, insert, taps or something.
Found it.
Oh, never mind. You found it. Yay!
Yeah.
All right. I'm starting on my part with the screws.
Just gonna let you know that you are gonna have to put a bit of muscle into that. That is not great. It's a G2 9B on the back here. Something just fell into my finger. It was the other part of this that was broken. So, also, we will be pinning them down with just little pins, and we will put pictures of it when it's done. So we're just gonna get into it, and we will see you when we get some progress. Okay, got the motherboard. It's clean. It is very clean. It looks very nice. I'll have to start taking a few parts of it off. Ooh, the start button thing. It's sticky and has stuff on it. That's not great.
So, we got the back of mine opened, and Blake is currently going through there.
Making sure. Oh, your
What's
right
that?
is also broken.
Oh, my right is also broken.
Your
That's funny.
right bumper is also broken as mine was.
The right bumper is also broken. That's awesome.
So I'm just gonna lay these out for you whenever
Yeah.
they are ready to go.
We got the buttons going up front there. We got the back of it open. We got the front of it laying on the table.
So the broken pieces I'm going to set off to the side
And
here.
we got the broken pieces, like as there. They can probably hear you still, right?
Yeah, probably.
So I'm just repeating everything for no reason, which is awesome because I love doing that. And then we are removing the mommy board.
I don't like that you called it that. And it is your job to take it apart from here and lay it out how you want.
Awesome.
I'm going to put these in the middle there. I've already started on mine. I would lift it, but I have things specifically set out real quick. You will see the finished products at the end of this. They will be labeled. They will be ready to go, and the labeling is going to take a lot longer than I thought. But really, it's just the A button, like up, left, right, down is the best way to put that. And then say like what these things are and what those are. You know, the works. So as we get this done, we will show it to you. So we got scissors. I feel like I'm going to commit an atrocity by cutting off the motherboard, but we have to for these displays. So forgive me, God, for I have sinned and all that. Very Christian people. So, yeah.
Father, Son, and the Holy Mario. Amen.
Father, Son, the Holy Mario. Okay. Let's get to it. So we're back with glue finally. We have to glue down specific parts like the bumpers and the buttons and the D-pad and stuff. The stuff that we can't pin down due to hard plastic, or the pins just won't do the job because it's just too high up. Too tall. I would never know anything about being too tall. I'm only 5'3". So,
you make me feel bigger every time I hang out with you.
So I will be putting up pictures right now of what we have so far. So we will be back again when we are completely finished. While he's gluing, I will be labeling with a Sharpie. Let's see how this goes. Because my handwriting is chicken scratch.
So I have also just finished my layout and my gluing. So I'm about to label it, and yeah, hopefully my handwriting looks better than Blake's over here. Because it's about as big. You could see it from the ISS.
It's very hard to label with a Sharpie on fabric.
Yeah, I'm talking a big game. I'm about to mess this up too.
Okay, I'm holding the microphone like this so that this doesn't hit this. We're done. We have finally completed it. We will be showing you the complete Shadowbox when they are done drying. We just want to make sure they'll be good. So, thank you guys for joining us. Right after this, you'll see the finished product. It was fun.
Yeah.
I really liked the idea of doing this. I never knew the inside of the motherboard. It looked also simple, to be honest with you.
Oh, yeah.
Very simplified. If you compared it to like an Xbox controller these days, or a PlayStation controller, even a PS4, Xbox One, Xbox Series X, PlayStation 5, of course, it would be so much different.
Oh yeah, for sure. It's really just a simple design, and I think that speaks to the popularity of this thing.
I have an SNES. Like I said, I got it from you, but like,
Yeah.
even now, like, it's one of the best systems, in my opinion. So thank you guys for watching. We had a great time. We hope you enjoy this variety content, and we hope to do more stuff like this, crafts and all this, and even adventures and doing dumb stuff like hide and seek in Walmart, maybe, if we get enough people. You went, I don't know about that one. But thank you.
And as always, be sure to, if you like what you saw, we got more videos. Go and click a few of them, watch around, spread the love around, share it to all your friends, and if you don't like our videos, then tell someone you don't like to watch one of our videos. It's a win-win. So, y'all take care.
See ya.